barbell nice and low, just around the middle torso area. Come back and squeeze in, and then stretch out, but we don't want to lean forward. Okay? Get ready? Hands around the shoulder width. The front side. Turn on that way. Okay? Keep steady. Chest up. 15 reps. Let go. Squeeze it in. And 15 reps again. Reset. Steady on the way forward. And then squeeze it in. Keep it up. Stretch it out. Squeeze it in. Okay, so we don't want those elbows to be too high. Nice and low. And tuck it to the back. That scapula low. Don't want to squeeze your neck like this all the way back. Down low. Squeeze in the lat. 5 reps to go. And 4, 3, 2, last one, stretch it out, squeeze it in and hold there for 1.